the farkes. Joking. Running. Come to YouTuber's funny channel. No, I'm this fashion show. Yeah, me. And I. Thank you. Why you always climb the tree? Because I don't know. Why do you don't know? Because I don't know how to speak Bisaya. I don't know how to climb. Next time, don't climb the tree. Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. Tomorrow, if I see you climb again, I will tattoo you. What is your answer? 3 or 10? What is your answer? 3 or 10? What is your answer? 3 or 10? Can? Stop joking. Say stop joking. Joking. Stop running. Stop running. Speak English, no Bisaya. What? Try speak English louder. Try! Speak English. Okay. What is the answer? 1 plus 1. 2. 100 plus 200. 300. Don't climb in the tree next time. Sunday. Why I don't need to climb the tree? Because you are very climbing in the tree. You must not climb in the tree because you fall. I don't know how to climb in the tree. It's done. What? You're the amang. No, you are the amang. Because you never speak any day. And you always utut. Oh. You because utut in the school. No, you always utut in here. No, we always smell your utut. It's stinky. And I don't care. And you too. How old are you? I'm 5 because you are the utut. I'm not the utut, you are. Because the utut is never always ligo anytime. And you too. Don't ligo inside. And you never always ligo anytime. You always balik your sinina anytime. You are the farkes. I'm not the farkes, you are. No, you always fart every day. Even at the school, you always fart. And you too, you always fart the what do you mean? You are the Miss Fart every day. And the mercado. What do you mean the mercado? I always fart. You always fart in the mercado. I know it. Princess say me that you always fart every day. And you too. You are the farkes Sunday. What? You are the farkes Sunday. You are the farkes of the town. You are the farkes of all galaxy. And you are palahi in the water. You're the palaihi of the water. What do you mean palaihi? Why you always never shower every day? No. I'm bath time in every day. I know you don't bath time because your dress is very dirty. You're dirty about this and this. What do you mean? I take a shower this morning. And you did take a shower in the morning? Yes.